Mahabang pasensya ang baon ng mga mommies na nagpa-practice ng gentle parenting. Hindi man ito ang nakasanayan ng marami, naniniwala si Mommy Candice na ito ang pinakamakakabuti para sa kanyang kids.
It's more of establishing your connection with your child, but we are very clear with setting the limits or boundaries with our children.
Kalmado pa rin daw si Mommy Candice kahit pa magsabay-sabay ang trabaho at pagtutok niya sa mga kids. Ano yung practice ng gentle parenting? How different is it from the usual?
We practice self-regulation. Kasi what happens, kasi di ba pag umiyak yung bata, ikaw rin affected ka, naiinis ka na kasi I have a lot of things to do. So ang difference kasi kay gentle parenting is may self-awareness ka that this needs to take more time. So, hahayaan ko lang siyang umiyak. After that, I would tell him how he is feeling. I believe you are feeling upset. So, meron doon validation of how they feel. So, nandun pa rin yung discipline na you can't do whatever you want. It's still mommy or daddy who will dictate na what is good for you. But I will take time. That really takes time.
So, ang gentle parenting ba masasabi mo, Mommy Candice, ay nababagay sa lahat ng mga bata? Is it a universal kind of practice na feeling mo bagay sa lahat? Or meron din ba itong binabagayan?
So I wouldn't say na binabagayan sa lahat. I would recommend that you try if you have the time. So yun kasi yung prerequisite. I understand that there are a lot of parents na, syempre you go through the day, wala kang helper, so nagmamadali ka, you have to do a lot of things.
Ano nga yung mga misconceptions pagdating sa gentle parenting? Kasi kung ako, makikinig ako, kunwari, pag sinabi sa akin gentle parenting, ay parang ang lambot nun, baka mamaya hindi yan pwede sa anak ko kasi yung anak ko matigas talagang ulo.
Is with gentle parenting, they give emphasis doon sa setting of boundaries. In order to be yung effective gentle parent, you should be also in command. Ikaw pa yung leader of the home.
How do you do that? How do you set the boundaries?
Sometimes, like si Liam, ayaw namin that he would climb up the table, but he will keep on doing it.
Yeah.
What we would do is, Liam, please go down the table, whether he understands that or not. Sasabihin ko pa rin yun so that ma-enrich yung vocabulary niya. If he doesn't follow, what I will do is, Liam, mommy needs to take away the table because that is very dangerous for you. You're not listening. Ibababa ko siya, tapos kukunin namin, tatago namin yung table.
Kabaligtaran naman daw ng pagpapalaki ni Mommy Candice sa kanyang anak ang naranasan niya noong bata siya.
Authoritarian. Hi, mother! Alam naman niya na aking mother. So, we grew up in a very strict
Diba? I
home.
think it is a thing. So ikaw, very strict si Mommy sa'yo.
Very
Nakapalo ka?
strict. Yes! Pero yun lang masasabi ko, my mom knows, hindi siya effective sa akin. I'm a very mischievous child. Kahit paluin ako, wala lang.
What tips would you give ang mga kapatid natin, ng mga magulang nanonood ngayon, kung gusto nilang subukan yung gentle parenting?
You have to prepare yourself. It takes a lot to self-regulate. Kasi the reason why we cannot self-regulate yung emotions natin is because we grew up that way. So it takes a lot to unlearn and relearn. You have to put yourself dun sa shoes ng bata. Another is get all the support that you need.
Madaling sabihin na nauubusan tayo ng oras palagi, pero para sa akin, kung nagmamatter sa'yo ang isang bagay, kagaya ng relasyon mo sa iyong mga anak, gagawan mo ito ng oras. So, thank you, Mommy Candice. Maraming salamat and all the best to Liam. Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.